Hello vinyl figure fans, it's Funko Soda time and I've got Woody Woodpecker. Aha, look at this one. So it's a Funko Shop exclusive. It's a 3,000 piece worldwide. And there's the logo, there's the figure, and the chase on this one, he had his like mouth all at an angle. Probably making that laughing noise, but yeah, I've wanted this for so long. It is an open bag, as you can see. First time I'm seeing it. Disc in the bottom, so that is Woody Woodpecker, a 1 in 2,500. Pretty nice limited piece. You don't get a lot of them that are this low run, so look at that. Oh yeah, I'm well happy with this. That's just as good as I was thinking it's gonna look. Loving it. I think this is a little bit better than the chase. Chase are always nice to have, 1 in 6 chance, but this looks amazing. Got a little bit up there, he's got his hand up in the air. I mean, what more can you say? Woody Woodpecker, loving it. So that was a look at Woody Woodpecker Funko Soda. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there.